Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share how you can claim a free $20 reward from Athene Network and use it to participate in their ATN Public Sale. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Complete KYC verification on the Athene Network app. First, download and install the Athene Network app on your device. Register an account and complete the KYC verification process. This step is crucial, as the $20 reward is exclusively for KYC verified users. Step 2. Register on the Athene Public Sale website. Next, click the link provided in the description and pinned comment below. This will direct you to the Athene Network Public Sale website. Register using the same email address you used for the Athene Network app to ensure your accounts are linked correctly. Step 3. Receive your $20 reward. After registering on the public sale website, you'll automatically receive a $20 reward. This bonus is credited to your Reinvestment Balance Wallet and can be used to participate in the ATN Public Sale or auction. Please note that this reward cannot be withdrawn directly. It's intended for reinvestment within the platform. Step 4. Understand the wallets on the public sale website. On the public sale website, you'll notice two types of wallets. Account balance wallet. Funds you deposit such as USDT are credited here. The minimum investment from this wallet is $3. However, this minimum investment amount is scheduled to increase over time, so early participation is encouraged. Reinvestment Balance Wallet. Your free $20 reward is credited here. To invest using this wallet, the minimum amount required is $30. This means you'll need to transfer additional funds to meet the minimum investment threshold. Step 5. Top up your Reinvestment Balance Wallet. Since the minimum investment using the Reinvestment Balance Wallet is $30, your free $20 isn't sufficient on its own. To participate, deposit at least $10 USDT into your account balance wallet. Convert the $10 from your account balance to your reinvestment balance. You'll now have $30 in your reinvestment balance wallet, ready to invest in the public sale. Important dates. The Athene Public Sale concludes on March 20th, 2025. Ensure you complete your investments before this date to take advantage of the opportunities available. Referral Program. Looking to earn more? Athene Network offers a referral program where you can invite friends to join. For each friend who registers and completes KYC verification, you may receive additional rewards. Check the Athene Network platform for more details on the referral program. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to assist you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to participate in Athene Network's public sale with a free $20 reward. Happy investing!